Unacknowledged resentments and fears are likely to be expressed regardless of the person's unwillingness to speak them. If they don't come out directly, they will come out indirectly. We often fail to comprehend the enormous toll our silent patterns take on our lives and peace of mind. It isn't until things get so painful that we become concerned that our vicious cycles of coping, and in many different ways, need addressing. We often demonize others and their actions, and in so doing have absolved ourselves of any responsibility for our part in the problem. It's easy to underestimate the degree to which most of us resist accepting responsibility. We mistake this and confuse it with blame, which we associate with punishment, as well as our willingness to go to great lengths to avoid being faulted for problems, sometimes even if our efforts to prove others wrong ultimately bring about the demise of our moments and even our relationships. We must see our defenses, understand them, and work with them. It can be challenging to maintain a positive outlook, especially when we get caught up in the torrent of daily life. We all have had bad days or bad weeks. Don't be afraid to mess up. It is part of building and fine-tuning your mental fitness to become the best version of yourself possible. How you see yourself and view your actions is a significant aspect of handling any errors that you might make. Understanding this mindset and the ever-changing nature is the key to your wisdom. Remember, mindset is everything. It may seem small, but showing compassion towards yourself does wonders for your life. As we become more willing to replace our defensive patterns with honesty, vulnerability, understanding, and trust, the perception of the need for protection diminishes, and authentic connection begins to replace manipulative strategies for escape and control. This does not occur overnight, but with practice, right intention, and effective support, we can be transformed into a loving, trusting, and mutually respectful relationships with ourselves and others. Yes, it does take work, and yes, it does take time, and yes, it is doable and so worth the effort. As always, peace and love, Jim.